Hello guys, today we'll be making a simple barrel quite fast, so I don't have a time to talk. Let's choose 7. Alright, scale it up. Let's go to our viewport. Let's press G and Z. We do not have a lot of time. Alright, Control R. Press S and Z. There you go. Control R again. And then press S and Z. Like so. You can go to face selection mode. Select these. Press E and S. Press S and Z. There you go. You can press S here. Select these. Press S. You can press I and extrude it. You can press I and extrude it. So now for the coloring, press Z and go to material preview and select these parts as they're going to be metal, like so. Oh no, I think I forgot one. Yeah, so let me select this, just like so, and then you can go over to colors, fast. So you can select a bit like silver and then make it metallic and take off the roughness maybe around there. Now let's just make this simple wood, so that should do it. That's how you make barrel within 60 seconds. Thank you for this video and see you later.